Jan's just having her nails taken off. We're back in Tenerife. We've not been on for a while because we've had Tenerife cough and Tenerife flu. We've come back and we've got the flu, both of us. And apparently a lot of people have come back with this Tenerife cough and Tenerife flu. Jan's just having her nails taken off. Women pay all that money to have the nails done, and when they go back to work, they've got to pay to take them off. But yeah, we've all come back with, everyone we've spoken to, we've all come back with that Tenerife cough, which turns into a cold. So we're just in the middle of Mansfield town now, and then we're going to the van. So I'm just going to show you around what it's like here. Christmas decorations are out in places, lights are up. A bit quiet really, but the car park's full. Yeah. So is it good to be back? Yes and no. Yes, it's good to be back because you're home, but then you wish you was back there in Tenerife. We met quite a few friends over there and made new friends as well. It was a good laugh. I do thank everybody who subscribed and supported the channel and our journey, to be honest. Done now. I'm going to go and have a nice drive to the van. But like I say, Jan's got the cold.
Just recovering. Just had my nails took off. Ready for work. So, but everybody's had it. Even the girl who we met there, she started with it now. So, a Christmas present from Tenerife.
The Tenerife cough.
Well,
turns into a flu, yeah. I mean, it does. I think, to be honest, with that Tenerife flu, it does seem like when you've got a cold, I don't know, cold's a cold, but it seems to like progress slower.
Me off my feet, isn't it?
Yeah, progress slower. So you get your cough first, and then it carries on to not man flu. It's proper cold, right through to the bones. It's not nice. So let's go and get into the car, go and get our ace, and get to the van. Chill out with a nice cup of tea and see what's happened on the site. So, let's go. So, we're back at the van. So there's not much changed here while we've been away, but it's good to be back here, having a mooch round, see what's happening. Bit more work being done, a couple more drives going down. So yeah, there's been no changes here. Just like I say, there's a couple more drives going down there. Well, it's not drives, I think it's the skirt's ready for the decking going on. So not been much of a change, and all looking good. But this time, just wants to get over this man flu, Tenerife cold. I'm gonna get the bikes back out. So yeah, bikes are here now, ready and burning. So get on that fat boy with this fat boy. So yeah, it's good to be back, and we've still booked again for next year. Hopefully we're going to try and get away in the April, because we've got holidays booked anyway, and November again. So we go every November, just because it was my daughter's birthday with Danielle, so we try and get there for her birthday. And then on the 9th of this month is the day, 2 years ago on the 9th is when Danielle was died. So it's not a nice day on Monday, so that's what we're doing. Try and occupy my mind a little bit, get on the bike or take our ace for a walk. It's good when you take a dog for a walk because it clears your mind, or when you go for a walk. He's here. Come here. Daisy, come here. Come and say hello. Come. Come and say hello. Sit down, kid. Sit. Sit. Sit down. Say hello. There's a paw. Thanks, kid. Yeah, so we've got our ace. Got the cars here. I'm not washing them because we've got what is it, red warning on the weather, severe weather warnings. Hopefully it doesn't affect us. It's saying it's like down the south and that, but it does always creep up to us anyway. And I've got a few more jobs to do here as well, so I've got to tidy this garden up, get this sorted out. And you get weeds no matter what, you still get weeds. So that's what I've got to do over these next few days. Get this sorted out. Get it all prim and proper again. Because that wind's been a bit terrible by the looks of it. It's messed a few things up. Oh, a few jobs to do. Tidy the garden up. Tidy the round the shed up. Take a suitcase which is in the car to the tip. And like I say, you still get that bloody algae stuff. See? So I've got to get all that moved, get that sorted out. Barbecue's got to sort that out. Look at bloody water on top of this lid. So there's quite a few jobs to do while we're here. But I do love coming here. I do love being here. It's nice. It's relaxing. It's just when you come back, you haven't made a mess, but it becomes a mess. So you still got to keep on top of it and make sure everything's right. But yeah, everybody who's watched us, I mean, and followed us on our journey, what we've been up to, what we've done, it's been absolutely brilliant. Everybody's been dead supportive. Really, really do appreciate it. So hopefully, the new year, in the 2025, it's going to be a big difference for us, big change, and I'll explain to that probably next week. I'll let you know what that is, what the change is for me and for Jan and for our channel. So keep watching, hit that subscribe button, and as soon as I get all this cold, it'll be a couple of days, and I'll be back on doing some more vlogs, having some more fun. So thanks for watching, and it's bye bye for now.